Hello viewers, welcome to the class for today. Today we want to try to solve these simple equations. They are the homework I gave to my student. He's going to join shortly as we look at the solutions together. Then we look at some other math concept that relates with grade 5, grade 6. You can subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Israel, can you hear me?
Yes.
Whatever it is you're doing, is that glasses or you just use some filter on your face? Hmm?
Yeah.
Okay. So I said they should ask you for your topic. At first, you said they are doing finance. Later on, you now said algebra. When you said
Yeah.
board mass when you saw the algebra on the board. Anyway, this was your previous homework, right? Did you do it?
Yes.
Okay, send it to me. Send it to me so we look at it together now.
No,
What did you
no, I
say?
didn't understand that.
Okay, you didn't understand how to do it,
I
right?
didn't understand. Yeah.
Okay, that's not a problem. That's not a problem. We'll look at it together so that whenever you see it, you will know it's very easy. Okay. So just make
Yeah.
sure you concentrate. For the first one, the question says what? You're not talking.
4x plus 6 minus 4x plus 6 minus 7x plus 9 equals 18.
Good. If you see this, look at them as individual people. This person has X, this person has X, right? Please don't
Yeah.
focus on anywhere. Just focus on the board because I can stop at any moment and ask you to continue. So that's why I want you to listen. Now, this and this, they are what? Like terms. They are what?
Lactose.
Like terms. Why are they like terms? They both have X, okay?
Because,
Not because they are yellow.
yeah.
All of them are yellow, fine. But then we have X here, we have X here, they are like terms. So you bring them closer. And in an attempt to bring them closer, where is the equation sign? Can you see it?
Yeah.
If they are being taken outside the equation sign, then they must change their sign. If they were positive, they will become negative, okay? If they were
Okay.
negative, then they will become positive. But then this arrangement does not require us to take them to the other side. So they will not change their sign. So you just have 4x, then you bring this closer, okay?
Okay.
Then what else? This and this. Are they negatives or positives?
Positives.
Good. So this is plus 6, then plus 9 equal to 18. Then you can easily add 6 and 9, yes or no?
Yes.
And this is 4 minus 7, which is somehow impossible. That's why it's going to be negative, okay?
Okay.
Then plus 15, right? Equal to 18.
Yeah.
Now, what do you consider as like terms now? This no x, this no x, right?
Yeah.
Take them to the right side of the equation. This is the right side, yes or no? And
Yes.
this is the left side. So take the 15 to the right side so that this will be alone. Then we have minus 3x equal to 18 minus 15. Was there minus 15 here?
No.
It was plus, yes or no? Then
Yes.
when you take it outside, I told you it will change the sign. That's why it become minus. Do you understand? So we have
Yes.
minus 3x equal to, what is 18 minus 15? That's 3. So how can you set Mr. X free? What is disturbing Mr. X?
Uh, X.
No, we want to set Mr. X free. What is beside it that is disturbing it?
Oh, 3.
3,
Negative 3.
negative 3. Good. We divide both side by what? That negative 3. Is that there?
Yes.
So negative 3 here cancel negative 3. You have X being set free. What is 3 divided by 3?
0. I mean,
1.
1.
Then there's negative there. Yes or no?
Yes.
Do you know the implication of this? The implication is that X is what?
X is. -1.
So if you put -1 here, and you put -1 here, and you perform this operation, what must you get? 18. So if
18.
you put -1 in those two places for x, because x is -1, and you did not get 18, that means your value of x is wrong. Let's try it. What is 4 times -1? That's -4. Then plus 6. Then what is -7 times -1? That's +7. Okay. Then plus 9. Let's
Okay.
check. Will it give us 18? This and this give me 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 9. Will it give us 18?
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
9 plus 9 is 18. So that means our value of x is correct. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now let's do another one. Number 2. Can you see the board?
Yes.
X plus 2. I heard you mentioned something about BODMAS. BODMAS says, look here, look here, look here, look here. You've been distracted. BODMAS says if you see a bracket, solve it first, okay?
Okay.
But then we can't add x and 2, so we have to open the bracket. We have to do what? Open the bracket. We have to do
Open the
what?
bracket.
Yeah, open the bracket. So
Open the
4
bracket.
plus, how can I open the bracket? 3 we attach to x, the same 3 we attach to 2, okay? So 3 times x is what? 3x. 3 times 2 is what? 6. Can you see I have opened the bracket?
Yes.
Good. How did I open the bracket? I used 3 to multiply everything inside, okay? Whatever is outside to multiply what's inside, and this is the result. Do you understand? Do you understand now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, what do you see outside here? There are two numbers, then there is one with x. So you pick the one with x separate, then the two numbers closer, okay?
Okay.
Oh, this is going to give us something ridiculously untrue or something, I don't know. It's going to lead us to 0, that's what I mean. Because 4 plus this is 10, right?
Yeah.
So plus 10, then equals to 10. Is it possible for you to add something to 10 and still get 10?
No.
Yeah, it's possible. Must be 0, right?
Oh, yeah.
So that means 3x must be 0. Yes or no?
Yes.
If 3 of something is 0, that thing must be 0 itself. 3 of 0. 0, 0, 0 is 0. Yes or no?
Yes.
So x is 0. How do we get it? Let's check it. 3x equal to 10 minus 10. 3x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 because 3 times 0 should give us 0. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now we're going to do, okay, I want you to put down the solution to number 1 and 2 before we continue. All right, viewers, we're going to continue shortly. So like I said, this is simple equation. What you are doing in simple equation is simple. If there are like terms to collect and simplify, like adding or subtracting or multiplying or dividing, you do that. If there's a bracket to open, you open it. If there is, what else can we say? Okay, maybe there is a number to use to divide to get the unknown you're looking for. Like we use 3, -3 to divide here, right?
Yeah.
Then here I use 3 to divide, but I didn't do the division since I know that it's going to give me 0. So that's 3, cancel 3. Then 0 over 3 is still 0. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's look at this next one. Maybe you can guide me into it. What's the question?
-3 plus 3x equals
Negative.
-2. X equals
Negative
x
2,
plus
open a
1.
bracket, x plus 1, then close a bracket, right?
Yeah.
So what do you think? On the right side, I will open my bracket on the right side, okay? So on the left
Okay.
side, this remains. Please make sure you're concentrating because I can see you looking at the geographical directions. So now, minus 2 times x is what? Minus 2x, okay? Minus 2
Okay.
times 1 is what? Minus 2. Can you see the way I open the bracket? Okay, good. Now, can you hear me clearly? Can you hear me clearly?
Yes,
Oh,
I can hear you.
okay. Because it's like the video is frozen at times, and I don't know, maybe it's my network, maybe it's something. So now, what we want to do now is to collect like terms. This has x and this also has x. So we have to bring them to the left side of the equation. 3x plus 2x. If you notice that the 3x is positive and it remains positive, but this one is negative, then it will change to positive because it's crossing this to the left. So then there is a negative 2 outside. There's a negative 3 that's coming here, but it won't remain negative. It will become positive. So, wait, 3x plus 2x here is 5x, and negative 2 positive 3 is positive 1. So, x, we divide both sides by what? 5, so
Fuck.
that x can be alone. So, x equals to 1 over 5. Again, if you slot in 1 over 5 into the equation, they should be equal, but we don't have time for that now. So let's look at the next question, number 4. For number 4, we have 9x minus 6 equal to minus 3. Make sure you concentrate in boy. Minus 3x plus 30. Can you see 9x? What other x can you see apart from 9x?
3x.
Is it negative or positive?
Negative.
If it's coming here, will it remain negative?
Yeah.
No. Then what is on the outside, right hand side? 30. Um, what other number can you see? Minus 6. If it's coming outside, it will change to plus 6, okay? So what is
Okay.
9x plus 3x? Tell me.
12x.
12x. Because 12x equal to what?
30 plus 6.
And which is?
Uh, 36.
So what do you think you should do now? How do you find your x? What is
Divide both
disturbing
of them
x?
by
Yes?
divide both of them by 12.
12. Very good. So 12 cancel 12. You have x equal to what?
1. Actually,
Mm,
4, 6, 3.
3. Very good. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna go to the next page and do this one. Get this going. So this one you can see brackets on the two sides. Is that correct?
Yes.
And one of the bracket, does it have any number outside?
No.
So what is the bracket doing there if there's no number outside? Okay, number 5. Negative into x plus 2 equal to 2 into 3x minus 3. Make sure you concentrate. This negative is going to open the bracket. The negative is going to do what?
Okay. Open the bracket.
So both of them are positive, then they become negative because negative is opening. Okay?
Okay.
Then this 2 is going to open the bracket. 2 times 3, 6x. Then 2 times negative 6, that's negative 12. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
I prefer to move this negative x to the right side so that it can become positive. So negative 2 is here, 12 is coming, it become positive. Then 6x is outside, the negative x is coming to become this. What is negative 2 positive 12? That's 10, okay? 6x plus 7 plus 1x is what? 7x. So you get 7x equal to 10. What should we do now? How do you find x? Divide both sides by what?
7.
Good. Divide both sides by 7.
7.
7 cancel 7. You have x equal to 10 over 7, which is improper fraction. So how can we present it? How many 7 in 10? 1. Then 3 over 7. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Number 6. We have 2x. I think that's numbers. Yeah, number 6. 2x plus what? 6 equal to what? 3x plus 9 minus 3. Why should they put 9 minus 3 there when they can easily put 6? Right?
Yeah.
And then this equation doesn't look valid. You know why? Let me explain.
Why?
If this is 2x plus 6, and this is 3x plus what?
Plus 9 minus 3.
Which is
6.
6. How can 2x plus 6 be equal to 3x plus 6? It's not possible. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
2x plus 6 cannot be equal to 3x plus 6. It's just not possible. Because the 6's are equal, then the 2x can never be 3x. That's math for you, okay?
Okay.
2x will always be 2x, and 3x will always be 3x. So no solution. No what?
No
Solution.
solution.
Let's try further and see whether we want to forcefully solve it. What do you suggest we should do? We should say 2 minus 3x, or maybe we say 6 minus 6, right? Equals
Yeah.
to 3x minus 2x. Hmm?
Yeah.
So we'll now say this is 0. I will now say this is x. Even if you put x equal to 0 here, 2 times 0 is 0, 3 times 0 is 0, then we say 6 equals to 6. But still, it doesn't make a complete sense, mathematical sense to say 2x plus 6 will give me 3x plus 6, unless x is 0. Okay?
Okay.
So the only solution we can have is x equal to 0. Otherwise, no other number. Is that clear?
Yes.
So I'm just trying to analyze that. Then the remaining two questions, number 7 and 8. Number 7, we have negative 5x plus 3 equal to 2x plus 10. Then we have to say minus 5x should go out to become positive. So 3 minus 10 equal to 2x plus 5x. Why am I concerned about negative? I just want the x to be positive, okay? You could have left it there and get your negative and try to get rid of negative at the end. So 3 minus 10 is negative 7. And 2x plus 5x is what? 7x. So we say 7x equal to negative 7. Divide both sides by what?
7.
7. So 7 cancels 7. X equal to negative 1. Okay?
Okay.
Then the last question, which is number 8, we have 3x minus 12 equal to 24 minus 9x. Now we see that 9x can come to become positive here. So 3x plus what? 9x. Then
Yeah.
24 plus what? 12. Because this is 12 negative, it comes out to become positive. 3x plus 9x is what? 12x. What's 24 plus 12?
That's 36.
36. So x should be 3 because 12 times 3 is 36, right?
Yeah.
So we divide both sides by what?
12.
12. So this cancel. Then we have x equals to 3. All right. You got to give it. You've written the first two, right?
Yeah.
So hold on. I'm going to move this up a little bit so that you can see the full details there. Now, so write the number 3 and 4. Then I'll move it down for you. All right, viewers.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. We might continue shortly, or if we don't continue, that'll be it for now. You can subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Copying the solution is about knowing how to explain it. So look at this: 4x here, 7x here. They are in the first position and third position now. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth position on that line, right?
Yes.
But because they are like terms, we brought them closer. Now they are in first and second position. What about the 6 and the 9? They are positives, and this one is second position, this one's fourth position. We brought them to third and fourth, right?
Yeah.
Because we're collecting like time. So if we subtract this, we're going to get, if we say 4x minus 3x, it's going to give us 4x minus 7x, it's going to give us minus 3x. Then 6 plus 9 is going to give us 15, right?
Yeah.
Then we got 18 outside. Then there's 18 on the outside the fence of the equation, and there's 15 inside. They have to see themselves. They are friends. They don't have x. So you have to take this 15 to meet the 18. Then it becomes negative because that jumped out of the fence. So that is 18 minus 15 gives us 3. and we have negative 3 here. So since there is a negative 3 beside the x, in order to set the x free, we divide both sides by negative 3. Negative 3 cancel out negative 3. Then we have x remaining here, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. But because it's a negative sign, you get a negative. Now try to explain it to me. Yes.
So 4x and 7x are like terms. So
Okay.
you're going to minus.
You've got to bring them closer.
Yeah, put them closer. And that'll be 4x minus 7x. And 6, positive 6 and positive 9 are also like terms. So you bring them together. That'll be positive 6 plus 9 equals 18. Negative 3x, which you got by minusing 7x, 4x and 7x, plus 15, which you got by plussing, adding 9
9
and
and
6,
6. Good.
equals 18. Negative 3x equals 18 minus 15.
Because we'll move the
Because
15 to meet the 18 because they're like terms, right?
Yeah.
And since it crosses, become negative. Continue.
And the 18 minus 15 will equals 3. So negative 3x equals 3 divided by negative 3. Negative 3x divided by negative 3 cross out each other, leaving x remaining, and
Okay.
3 divided by negative 3 equals x equals negative 1.
Okay. Because 3 divided by 3 is 1, so there's a negative here. Okay, I will still. Can you explain the second one?
Okay.
You see, the second one, there was a bracket. So I firstly opened the bracket, right?
Yeah.
This 4, I didn't touch it. I repeated the 4 here. Then I opened the bracket. How did I open the bracket? Can you explain?
So you times 3 and so first times 3 and x, then after that you times 3 and 2.
Very good. And they are all positive, so I have no worries about negative. Okay.
Yeah.
Just like when you're in the middle of your friends and they are all with positive vibes, you have no problem worrying about an enemy in the middle of Now we want to collect like terms. The 4 and the 6 are like terms. We bring them closer. It becomes 10. Then we take the 10 to the other side. It gives us, like 10 minus 10, that's 0. Then if we divide both sides by 3, we're still going to get 0 because 3 times 0 should give us 0. Okay. This second one, can you explain how I got this next line? Because I didn't change this line. I only changed this place.
Okay.
Yeah. How did I get minus 2x minus 2?
So first you times 2 and negative 2 and x, and
Yeah.
after that you times negative 2 and
And
1.
1. And both of them the return as negative, right? So what next did
Yeah.
I do? How did this come here? How did this come here? Yes.
You put 3x on the other.
I brought this negative 2x to become positive, right?
Yeah.
Wow. And this one was here initially, right?
Yeah.
Then this negative 2 was outside. Then I brought the
Yeah.
negative 3 to become what? Positive 3.
Positive.
Then when I add this together, I get 1. Like 3 minus 2 is 1. Then when I add this together, I get 5x. Then you divide both sides by 5, right?
Yeah.
Then that'll be 1 over 5. Because 5 cancel out, then 5 remains here. That's 1 over 5. Okay. And the one on the right, okay, very good. You've not written this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, write it. I might ask you to explain it to me also. So make sure you understand it as you're writing it. It's not just about writing. All right, viewers, you can subscribe to this channel. I'll say goodbye for now. See you next time. Welcome back to class for today. My student will join the class now as we get started. Let me see. Okay, how are you today, Israel?
I'm good.
All right, you're welcome to the class. You can start send your homework before you start your video. All right. Send your homework.
Wasn't do it.
Okay, no problem. Start your video then.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you remember the explanation?
Yes.
Okay, that means you can still attempt it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you some time to look into it. Then we'll look at it afterwards.
Okay.
All right. So doing that, I'll change it to classwork for you. So okay, classwork. So once you finish, you let me know.
Okay.
All right, viewers, we're gonna continue shortly. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
So let's look at your submission together and see how it goes. So the first one says what?
No, 2x.
Yeah, 2
2x.
into
Or not
bracket.
2. 2 into
Yeah, into bracket x
plus.
plus 4 equal to minus 3 into what? Bracket x plus 5. One thing I must mention, let us assume this is 2 and this is 2, okay?
Okay.
Then we could cancel them out. Or let's assume this is 8 while this is 4. We could use 4 to divide them first instead of opening the bracket first, okay? But
Okay.
since they are not the same number or they are not factors and multiple, there is no way we can do that. So the best thing to do is to open the bracket, okay?
Okay.
So 2x time 2x plus 8, that is 2 times x, that's 2x. Then 2 times 4, that's 8. Then negative 3 times x is negative 3x, while negative 3 times 5 is negative 15, okay?
Okay.
Now, the only error I could see in your own is that this negative, you did not allow it to affect your x, or did you put minus before 3x? I don't think so. So now you collect the like terms. This is 3 is bigger than 2. Since 3 is negative, I prefer to bring it here to become positive. So you have 2x plus 3x equal to, outside here we have negative 15. Then here it's 8, but it changed to negative 8. So what is 2x plus 3x? That would be 5x. Then what is minus 15 minus 8? That is minus 23. Then you divide both sides by 5, okay?
Okay.
5 cancel 5. Then x is, how many 5 goes in 23? That is 4. Remainder 3, then over 5. So I think your answer is right, even though I didn't see this one here. Okay, I think your answer is correct. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. So then number 2, we have 4 into 2x minus 3 plus 4 equal to 8 minus x. Now the first thing to do is to open this bracket. Had it been there is a bracket here and there's a number outside I can divide without this one here, then we can work with it. But as it is, you open your bracket, that would be 4 times 2x, which is 8x. Then 4 times minus 3, which is minus 12. Then plus 4 equal to 8 minus x, according to the question. Oh, not 8 minus x, it's 8x minus 8. I wrote the wrong question there, so let me quickly correct that. 8x minus 8. So we get 8x minus 8. Then we can try to collect like terms, but this is not trying to make any sense here because this is 8x and this is also 8x, and none of them is negative. So definitely this will change to negative and cancel the one on the other side. But then before that, 8x minus 8, because this is minus 8. When you add them together, equal to 8x minus 8. So if you say you collect like times 8x minus 8x, and you said minus 8 plus 8, then you get 0 equals 0. So there is no solution for x here, okay?
Okay.
Because you couldn't find that x equal to something or something. So you can put it at 0. Um, let's see the next question, number 3. 6x plus 11 equal to minus into 6x plus 5. So 6x plus 11 equal to negative opens into the bracket. So it becomes negative 6x, negative 5. Then you collect like terms. 6x plus 6x equal to negative 5, negative 11. Then 12x equal to negative 16. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Then I want to use this smaller place to finish up that one. So I have 12x equals negative. So x will be negative 16 over 12, which means x equal to how many 4 goes in 16? That's 4, 4 in this. So minus 4 over 3, which is minus 1, 1 over 3. You got minus 4 over 3. I have to give it to you, but next time you change it to um, mixed numbers, okay?
Okay.
So that means you're able to do those questions. Then the next one, I have 2, that's number 4. So I have 2 into x plus 7 equal to 6x plus 9 minus 4x. Okay, we can firstly deal with this one while we open this bracket. 2x plus 14 equal to 6x minus 4x is 2x. Then this is going to be plus 9. So again, this is not trying to make sense because this is 2x and this is 2x. So definitely we say 2x minus 2x equal to 9 minus 14. And this will never be equal because this is 0 and 9 minus 14 is never 0. It's minus 5. So this is not equal. Again, no solution, okay?
Okay.
So number 4, x cannot be minus 5 here. Then the last one on the list, number 5. We have negative 5 into 3 minus 4x equal to minus 6 plus 20x minus 9. So here we can do this minus and minus. You get minus 15. So we have um, minus 15x plus 4x. I mean plus 20x, rather. 20x because 5 times 4 is 20 equal to, this is also minus 15. Okay, the 5 there doesn't have any x, so This time this is minus 15, and this time this is plus 20x. I skip that. Then we have this, and this is minus 15, and this is plus 20x. Again, this is leading to nowhere. No, just a bunch of numbers packed together, because this is the same, exactly the same thing as this. So we can say 20x minus 20x equal to minus 15 plus 15. And this will lead us to 0. This will also lead us to 0. So we couldn't find x again this time. No solution for the third time. Now, if we say that x is 0, let's check. If we put x is 0, this will be 0, this will be 0. Minus 15 will be minus 15, which still doesn't, make equation sense. Hold on a bit.
Okay.
All right, can you hear me now?
Yes.
So, in the assignment I'm going to give you, I'll still give you maybe just two questions that look like all of these ones, okay?
Okay.
But I'll give you something that look like this also. That's why I want to explain this to you, okay?
Okay.
So, this one is just whenever you see something like a fraction, and there is equal sign, equation sign, it's still a linear equation, though it contains fractions. So the first one here, we're going to say since you have 4 over 7 equal x over 21, it's either you cross multiply or you just find a way of eliminating the numbers at the bottom, okay?
Okay.
So if I want to eliminate the numbers at the bottom, this is 7. So I could divide both numbers at the bottom by 7 by multiplying by 7, okay?
Okay.
So if I multiply by 7, I can say 7 cancel 7. Wait, let me rewrite the question so that it doesn't interfere with the number that I put there. Okay, fine. So I said I should multiply because the 7 at the bottom should let's go away. So I'll say times 7 and times 7. So I can say 7 cancels 7, and 7 here is 3, okay?
Okay.
So I have a new equation, 4 over 1, which is still 4, equal to x over 3. And to remove this 3, I will still multiply both sides by 3, okay?
Okay.
Because it's being divided, so I can use multiplication. That's times 3, then times 3. So that you can say that 3 cancel 3 here. Then you have x equal to 12. Alternatively, please look here. Alternatively, you can say since you have 4 over 7 equal to x over 21, you just simply cross multiply. You do what?
Cross multiply.
So I'm going to have 7 times x, that's 7x, equal to 4 times 21, okay?
Okay.
Then I don't need to multiply this since 7 can divide 21. So all I just need to do is to say, okay, you're dividing both sides by 7. 7 cancels 7. Then you have x equal to, I'm in 7 here, 1. I'm in 7 here, 3. What's 4 times 3? 12. You can see the answers are the same, right?
Yeah.
So whether you try and figure out how to eliminate those numbers or you just cross multiply and now later divide by the number beside x, you are still on the same page. Okay, the second one. Do you think you can walk me through the second one? Number 2. What do you think we should do for the second one?
So we start off with
Can we? Do you know?
6.
Wait, do you know that
Yeah.
we multiply by 7 because of this 7, right?
Yeah.
Should we try that? Multiply by what? 4. And
7.
what?
4.
And because 4 can divide this, right? So
Yeah.
if I want to do that, I'll just quickly multiply both sides by 4. I'll say this
Mhm.
times 4, right? and this
Yeah.
also times 4, so that I can eliminate the 4. 4 cancel 4. Then I have only x here. Then 4 also cancel this to give me 4. Then I have x equals to 20 over 4, right?
Yeah.
So x is now equal to what? 5. Okay, you were about to explain the second method. Maybe you should explain the second method.
Okay.
So what do you think?
Now, first we start off with 4. Uh, 4x
Wait,
over 4.
wait. No, I mean the second method, This is the first method that will multiply, right? Maybe you wanted to
Yeah.
cross multiply, so how do we do this when we cross multiply? Yes.
Okay, so 7x equals
There's no
4x.
7. I mean cross multiply
So,
here.
yeah, push multiply, and then after that, 4x equals to 16x.
Wait. Look at what I did here. I said 7 times x, right?
Yeah,
So what are you supposed to say?
4 times, 16 times x.
And that's what?
That's
Then four
16x.
then 4 times what?
No, 4
Negative
times,
20.
yeah,
Then you divide both sides by what? 16, right?
yeah,
Okay, so divide by, excuse me. So then we have 16 can cancel 16, okay?
okay,
Then we have x equal to 4 can also cancel 16 to give me 4. So x equals to minus 20 over 4. That would say x equal to negative. Wait a minute. I forgot the negative sign here, okay?
okay,
So x equals to negative 5. So it's still the same answer. Let me give you some time to put down the question and the solutions on the board, okay? Know that
okay,
this is method 1, okay? And method
okay,
2 for the same question. This is also method 1, and this is method 2. So you don't need to use two methods when you're solving. Use any method that is convenient for you.
yeah.
But you can write them out, write everything on the board now. So after that, you take assignment. Thank you very much for watching this. You can subscribe to this channel for updates on our future videos. Goodbye for now.